Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I'm going to show you how you can import a KML or KMZ file and create entities in BricsCAD. Now, let me tell you that this particular function that I'm going to show you requires BricsCAD Pro V24 because it uses the coordinate conversion facilities which are available only in the BricsCAD Pro version of V24. So we use this feature here called KML to DWG Google Earth import. You can type gt_KML to DWG on the command line. So the first step is you need to choose your KML file. So I'm going to choose one from my folder here. Now when the file is imported in BricsCAD, it performs a coordinate conversion. This is not mandatory. If you have a file which is already converted in UTM, you can just uncheck this option. But if you check this option, then any Lat-Long coordinates which are found in your KML file will get converted to UTM. Once converted and imported in BricsCAD, it creates some text labels. So you need to specify the height of the text label. So I'm going to give it as 0.3. Earlier you saw a very small value that was more suitable for Lat-Long coordinates, but for UTM coordinates in this case I am giving 0.3. In your case you can just do a trial and error and find out what is the most optimal text height. Say OK. Now this again takes a few seconds or a little more depending on the size of your KML file. So you can see that the points are being created now, and underneath you can also see the lines created shortly. So this KML has got a lot of points, so it may take a few seconds. You can see that there are a total of 714,000 points comprising the lines from the KML data, and it's reading it now and it's done. So if you zoom in, you can see that there are points and lines. So if you zoom in here, you can see that there will be a label also, and this is the label that it creates, for which we have given 0.3 as the text height. So this is how you can import your KML data into BricsCAD. Now if you just want to verify whether your data is correct, so I just go back here to my KML file. So you can see that exactly the same line and the points that were there in the KML, we have been able to import this into BricsCAD. So GeoTools provides a very easy and cost-effective method to bring your KML into CAD. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.